Today is an exciting day. I received my instasmile impression kit. So give you a little bit of history. Some time ago I contacted instasmile and I was asking them a few questions about their whole process, and instantly I was sold. The reason why I was looking for an alternative to having, let's be honest, turkey teeth. A lot of my friends have gone over to Turkey, they've had their already alright teeth, to be honest with you, filed down into like little pegs. No, let's not do that. So my teeth are, they're okay. I have a few issues, like this is here's a bit fangy for me, like Dracula tooth. Not so white, a little bit of yellow staining, and I've tried every whitening product, and it just doesn't last. So I was looking for something in the middle between having like invasive surgery, which absolutely, I have nightmares about it, and that drill. No, that's not good, that's not good. Don't do that to your teeth. So I contacted instasmile, and they sent me the impressions kit. And I'm doing a little review about the whole process because I really do think that there is a alternative to having this invasive surgery, and I kind of really want to explain to you guys that look, you can actually look good with your smile and feel confident without having to have that drilling to your teeth. So I've got my impression kit here. What I'm really pleased about as well is I actually live abroad. I live over in Cyprus, and I was really worried because I didn't think that they shipped to different places worldwide. After speaking to their team, they was able to accommodate me, and they sent my kit out by FedEx, and 3 days later it was here. So if you don't live in the UK, this is also for you. In the box, they give you this really handy, colourful instruction manual on exactly how to do the kit, so you shouldn't have any problems. If you also want to scan the QR code, there's a really handy visual guide, tells you everything you need to know. Alright, so this is what you need. You need a pot for boiling water, cooker, stove, check, freestanding table mirror. I didn't get a mirror, but it's alright guys, I've got one on the camera, so that's all good. Timer and stopwatch, camera phone, check. No distractions and plenty of time. Okay. We can try that one. Clean hard surface, check. Tissues for excess saliva, check. I'll get it in a minute. And just some tongs or something to take the impression out. All right, let's get on with it. So it's asked you to boil the water, use a high heat, bring the pan to a rolling constant boil. Tip, boiling water burns, be careful guys, they tell you that. Okay, so inside the box, we have the impression tray. That's pretty cool. It's like rubber. Anyway, we have two of them, top and bottom, and it comes out. It's just as easy as that. Here's one that I prepared earlier. Would have been easier, wouldn't it? All right, let's get rid of this for now. Cool. Okay, so it's quite clearly labelled. Number 2, 90 seconds, place the tray in a pan. Let's do that. Step 2 says place the tray facing upwards into the pre-boiling pan for 90 seconds. It says that timing is crucial with this, so we're going to do it exact. So let's pop it in, health and safety, mind your fingers. Okay, so it's in the pan for 90 seconds. Alright, so as per the instructions, the impression mold's been inside the boiling water for 90 seconds, and we have to leave it 3 minutes excuse me, to cool. So let's run that. Alright, we're at 1 minute 40 so far, so I'll just read the next part. It says to make your impressions into the pre-made channel, leave a 1 centimetre gap at the front of the tray and use a mirror to guide your teeth into the pre-made channel of the putty. I have that on my camera, so I'm going to be using that. Once aligned, push up if you're doing the top tooth first, and also press down if you're in the lower part of your teeth. Hold in place for 4 minutes until the putty, one of my lights is blue, that's funny, until the putty is fully set. Make sure you use your thumbs and fingers to push evenly. We need all the depth on every tooth. Okay, we are coming up to 3 minutes, and yeah, it's not hot. Okay, it's good temperature. All right, let's give this a go. So place the thumbs on the bottom of the tray. I guess shouldn't really use paper on the bottom of it. Okay. So. Quite a lot of saliva, so be prepared for that, guys. Make sure you have your tissue. They wasn't lying. All right. So I'm hoping that's the how the impression looks. Okay, time for number 2. All right, we are on to the second impression tray. We're going to pop that in the water and start the timer. My trusted tray this time, so that I don't get paper stuck to the bottom of the impression kit. Alright, so starting the stopwatch. Okay, so we're at 3 minutes. Let's pop it in. And we're going down now. Wow, that was some saliva. Alright. Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah. Pretty sure that I've done that correctly. So I'm now going to go ahead and follow the instructions. It says you need deep impression. It looks pretty good. I'll show that one as well. So I'm going to take my photos, send them off to instasmile, and then wait to hear back. So I will do a follow-up video once they email me back, and then I shall keep you guys updated. I'm really looking forward to getting my new teeth. Check back soon.